Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are jumping right into a super fascinating trend taking over modern wellness and concierge medicine right now, mobile IV therapy. Specifically, we're looking at a powerhouse treatment called NAD+. We're going to unpack the science, the big health claims, and the actual day-to-day operations behind a Las Vegas provider called IV Drip to You. We really want to figure out exactly why this kind of proactive health model is spreading like wildfire.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The Las Vegas lifestyle toll. 2. The science of NAD+. 3. Why choose IV therapy. And 4. The mobile treatment experience. Let's get to it.
Starting with Section 1, the Las Vegas lifestyle toll and the environmental stressors that come with it.
So here's a question for you. How do you recharge when coffee just isn't cutting it anymore? It's a completely universal problem, right? We all hit that midday wall of pure daily fatigue. But the standard fixes we reach for, that third iced coffee or a sugary energy bar, they really only give you a temporary artificial spike. They're just slapping a Band-Aid on the exhaustion instead of actually fixing the root cause. And honestly, that just sets you up for an absolutely brutal afternoon crash.
Now, when you factor in a seriously demanding environment, well, that exhaustion compounds so rapidly. Living in, or honestly even just visiting, a high-octane city like Las Vegas drains your physical reserves way past what basic sleep and a glass of water can fix. You've got the relentless dry heat of the Mojave Desert. Then you add in the sheer physical marathon of walking expansive casino floors, hitting late-night entertainment, outdoor festivals, or long days at high-stakes corporate conventions. Before you know it, you are literally operating at a severe physiological deficit.
Moving on to Section 2, the science of NAD+. Zooming in on what's actually happening inside our cells.
To really understand the solution here, we've got to look at the microscopic biology. NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide. Try saying that 3 times fast. Essentially, it's a vital, naturally occurring coenzyme that's found in literally every single living cell in your body. Its main gig? Transferring electrons so your body can actually convert the nutrients you eat into usable cellular energy. On top of that, it acts as a trigger for specific proteins called sirtuins. Think of sirtuins as your body's microscopic mechanics. They are completely responsible for crucial DNA repair.
To put this into perspective, think of your mitochondria as the microscopic power plants inside your cells. Just like a real-world power plant desperately needs coal or natural gas to keep the lights on, your cellular power plants absolutely cannot operate with an adequate supply of NAD+. Every single metabolic function you rely on is tied directly to this exact supply chain.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core issue we run into. Scientific researchers estimate that our natural NAD+ reserves naturally deplete by up to 50% by the time we hit age 40. 50%! This stark decline severely compromises your baseline metabolic function. Actually, it perfectly explains why a long cross-country flight or a late night out hits you so much harder at 45 than it did back when you were 25. And things like environmental stress, a poor diet, and alcohol, they just speed up this biological drain even more.
Which brings us to Section 3, why choose IV therapy? The big debate of pills versus IV drips. So you might be wondering, well, if I'm losing this coenzyme, why don't I just swallow a pill? The major roadblock there is the delivery method. See, oral supplements routinely lose the vast majority of their clinical potency. Why? Because your harsh stomach acids and liver enzymes basically tear them to pieces long before they ever reach your cells. Intravenous delivery, on the other hand, completely bypasses that entire digestive gauntlet. It drops the coenzyme directly into your circulatory system.
Now, what's really interesting about this data is just how striking the comparison is between these delivery mechanisms. IV therapy gives you 100% bioavailability with an immediate onset of action. It kicks off cellular absorption right then and there. Oral supplements, they're only offering about a 10 to 15% bioavailability rate, and it can take days or even weeks to see minor benefits from that. And those energy drinks we mentioned earlier? Sure, they might give you an artificial jolt in 15 minutes, but it's really just central nervous system stimulation that guarantees a crash a few hours later. IV delivery is frankly the only way to guarantee maximum cellular absorption.
And replenishing this coenzyme impacts nearly every biological system we have. According to the clinic, patients report 4 massive physiological improvements. First up is cognitive enhancement. That stubborn brain fog lifts and memory recall sharpens right up. Second is accelerated muscle recovery, which is a real game changer that elite athletes use to rapidly reduce post-workout inflammation. Third, we see anti-aging and longevity benefits, specifically promoting vital chromosomal stability and healthier skin elasticity through those sirtuins we talked about earlier.
And finally, systemic detoxification support, which actually helps reset the brain's natural reward pathways and reduces physical cravings.
All right, let's wrap up with Section 4, the mobile treatment experience and the reality of concierge medicine.
So how does this actually work in the real world? Well, providers like IV Drip to You are operating on a concierge medicine model, totally capitalizing on our modern shift toward ultimate convenience. Instead of sitting in bumper-to-bumper Vegas traffic or waiting around in some crowded clinical lounge, a highly trained registered nurse comes directly to you. Whether you're recovering in a luxury suite right on the Strip, relaxing at home in Summerlin, or prepping for a big presentation over in Henderson, all that sterile, clinical-grade equipment just arrives right at your front door.
The actual protocol itself is highly personalized. First, a medical professional reviews your medical history and checks your baseline vitals just to ensure everything is safe. Next, they customize the specific protocol and set your intravenous drip rate. Finally, they administer the infusion. Now pay attention to the timeline on that last step. Because NAD+ is such a complex biological molecule, it requires a significantly longer administration time compared to your basic hydration drip. We're talking usually 2 to 4 hours. That extended time frame makes the privacy and comfort of your own living room feel like a clinical necessity, not just a fancy luxury.
And that slow, careful pacing, it's absolutely crucial. While NAD+ is a naturally occurring coenzyme with a really fantastic safety profile, if it's introduced into your system too quickly, you might feel a slight temporary heaviness in your chest or a bit of nausea. But by meticulously customizing and slowing down that drip rate, the attending nurse instantly eliminates those minor sensations, ensuring a totally comfortable clinical experience from start to finish.
Which leaves us with a truly fascinating question to ponder. Is bypassing the digestive system entirely the true future of daily wellness? This shift away from reactive medicine and toward highly proactive, microscopic cellular repair, delivered right to your couch, represents a massive evolution in how we view human health. It's literally giving the body the exact biological tools it needs to repair itself. Thank you so much for joining me for this deep dive. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.